Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner level class. I'm Arletta. I'm here with
Cody. I'm Justin.
We're some ground grooves facilitators and we're so excited to have class with you today. Let's get started.
This is an excerpt from a full class that you can take on GGTV. Please make sure you're warm. Have fun!
Cody and Justin have turned around. They're going to move in the same direction as you. So their right arm is your right arm. In a moment, I'll flip around too, but I'm going to start facing you so that you can see the pathway of the legs. We're going to start with the feet planted, just nice easy bend in the knees, soft in the hip creases. I'm going to place your right hand out to the right. And then we're going to bring the right knee toward the right hand. So you can see Cody and Justin, they'll start to face you, knees to hands, and you're going to arrive in that seat on your shins as we started. And now you're facing the back and you're like, what's happening? Look over your shoulder. And then you're going to place the left hand down, and then you're going to keep rolling so that you see now the front of the room, you see your screen, and we've all arrived facing forward. Let's try that going the other way. You're going to place your left hand down. The left knee will come right to the left fingers, and you'll be facing the back of the room. We can just take a peek around, see that we all got where we wanted to be. Great. And then you'll place your right hand down outside of the right knee. Let the right hip fall to the floor. Find the butt. Let the left butt cheek find the floor, and the feet are planted. Let's try that again. We'll go back and forth, right and left. So right hand down, right knee to right fingers. The left knee will join. Left hand down outside of the left knee. Find the left butt. Then the right. The feet will find the floor. And going to the left. Left hand, left knee, and then quickly bring the right knee in. Find the seat, right hand, find the butt, left foot, then right foot. How's it going?
Good.
Good, good. All right, let's add one layer onto that. So instead of starting with the feet planted, we're going to start in what we call this hook. So you're going to have your left foot in and your right shin in front. Just get comfortable with what that position is. In the back, they're figuring out what their left and right is. So your left foot will be planted onto the floor. I like to feel like that foot is really standing down, like we're going to stand up onto it or push the floor away. So that foot is really tactile, almost like a suction cup gripping the floor. The right leg is now available to move. Just give that right leg a little toss out and in, just feeling how it can move. And then we're going to do the same action. The right hand will come right alongside the outer hip. You'll again bring your right knee to your right fingers. Left knee will now come along, left hand down, left butt cheek, right butt cheek. Let's just let the feet plant down. Let's find the hook on the second side. You'll stand the right foot down, the left shin will be in front, like such. Just see how that left leg can be available to move. Great, we look good. Left hand down, left knee to left fingers, the right foot comes along, right hand down, right butt, left butt. And then what happens here, we can bring the right shin right in front, find the hook. We're ready to try it again. Let's go right hand, right knee, the left hand, left butt, the feet, the left leg is in front. And left hand, left knee, right knee, hand, butt, we arrived. Good, take a moment to stretch the legs out, give the thighs a little relaxation. Great, we're gonna add one move into that. I'm gonna do it facing you, just take a look here. So here we are, I have the legs in the hook. I'm gonna plant the hand. I'm gonna go knee, knee, hand, butt. And I'm gonna prepare into the hook on the second side. Instead of going right into that move we just did, I'm gonna reach the hand out. I'm gonna slide to it. Here I have that tactile foot, really like a suction cup I'm pushing. I'm gonna poke the toes behind, and then I'm gonna reverse that action. Gonna slide to the hand, poke the toes in front. So just a moment to really clean your floor with your butt. You're gonna like nice little scrubbing on the floor, but feeling how I can pull with the hand, push with the foot, and then push with the hand and really pull with the foot and the hamstring. In and out. Give that a little try. One side, in and out. Maybe try it on the other side before we add it together. So front leg available, same hand as leg. You pull to it, slide to the hand, push into the hand, tuck the toes behind, and then pull and hook. So the action, we call this roll a turtle, the slide a turtle. We'll go through the shins, over the butt. Here I would be in the second side. I'm gonna adjust the hand right in line with the hip. I'm gonna pull to it, poke behind, pull to it, poke in front, and then we'll be ready to do the second side. Okay, let's give this a try. We're gonna go nice and slow. We'll do a turtle, find a second hook, 2 pokes, 1 behind, 1 front. I think it'll be more clear when we try it. I'm gonna stand the left foot down. The right shin is hooked in front, so our right hand is what's gonna be available to reach. Hand, we go knee, knee, hand, butt, feet. The left shin comes in front. Adjust the left hand out to the side. Pull to it. Poke the toes behind. Pull to it. Poke the toes in front. And second side, knee, knee, hand, butt, feet. The right shin comes in front. Adjust the right hand. Pull to it. Poke behind. Pull to it. Poke in front. Again, we go hand, knee, knee, hand. Find the butt, left shin in front. We pull to it, the hand, poke behind. Pull to the hand, poke in front. And left hand, knee, knee, hand to the butt, right shin in front, right hand, pull and poke and pull and poke. Nice. How'd it go?
Good. Good.
Let's move on. Let's stand up for a moment and just shake out the legs. I have a little bit of a conditioning-like moment here to really work the muscles around our hips, our inner thighs, and strengthen the arms. We do so much in our practice with folding in the hips, really compressing in, but we never want that action to be totally flaccid or just loose. We want to be really strong and integrated. So we're gonna do a little frog action. So this is gonna get us deep into our hip creases. You'll separate your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Now, if you're feeling a lot of tightness in the hips, you can keep your hips high. If the ankles are less mobile and you need to lift your heels to get low, that's fine too. We can just do this together. We're gonna reach the hands forward, nice far reach, drag the feet to the hands. You're gonna reach your hands to your left, drag your feet to your hands. Okay, you're gonna send your hands behind, but through your legs. Try and get your hands planted, hop your feet back. Hands to the right, and drag your feet. We gotta do the other side. Hands forward, stay low in the hips. Hands right, feet to hands. Send your hands through your legs, plant the hands, back, and side, and stand up. Woo, give it a little hip circle, shake it out. Good news, you get a chance to do that again, and by you, it means all of us.
Work.
We're gonna go a little quicker so that it gets done. We're gonna see if we can find a little buoyancy through our arms, ease in our hips, so that there's a little more a breath-like quality. Let's do it all together. You get in our back view, you're welcome. Ready? Here we go. Get low. We go. Hands front. You're gonna go left, left, and back, and right, and front, to the right, right, and back, and left, and stand it up, shake it out.
Woo.
Maybe we'll do it again later, but that's enough for now. Shake it out, take a little walk around your space, return that little hip shimmy. Whew.
Little prance.
A little prance, yeah, whatever it feels good to you. Okay, we're gonna actually be standing. All that deep hip creasing that we just did is gonna be really valuable for us. Step a little bit to the left side of your space. And we're gonna do a hand, hand, foot, foot. Exactly as it sounds. We're gonna reach first with the left hand. So we just take a look here. I'm gonna do it facing you. I'm gonna find that deep hip crease that we just worked a moment ago. The opposite hand is gonna reach across. So if I'm going to the right, I'm gonna reach the left hand across. Then I'm gonna plant the right hand, and I'm gonna bring the feet around or across. And then we'll stand up. We'll try the other side. Getting nice and low, reaching across, hand, hand, and then bring the feet 1, 2, up. All right, I think we're ready. Let's give it a try together. Maybe step apart slightly. Great. All right. Here we go. Get nice and low, deep bend in the knees. You're going to reach left hand, right hand, slide left foot, right foot. Let's stand up onto that right foot and then switch sides. Bend the knees, get low. Right hand, right foot, left hand. Here we go. And we get low. Hand, foot, foot. Transfer the weight. And hand, foot, foot. We stand. Let's take a quick break. Shake it out. All right. Now we're going to do that once more, but we're going to add one layer into it, which again is going to require us to find that deep hip crease, keep pressing into the hands. We're going to add a hand, shin, shin. So we're going to add on to that hand, foot, foot, one layer. We're going to take the hand, foot, foot onto the shins. So just take a look and watch here. Same pathway of the arms and the legs. I'm going to go hand. Instead of bringing the feet down, I'm going to come onto the tops of the feet and lower over the shins. I'm going to pass through this seated position. Same side, I'll reach hand. Really press into the hands, lift the hips, and gather the feet underneath me. Should we try it all together? Let's step to the left side of our space, and we'll go to the right first. Let's go hand, shin, and then hand up to the feet. Here we go. Nice and low in the hips. We bend. We go left hand, left knee, and right knee. Left hand, right hand, up to the feet. And we try second side. Right hand, right knee. Left knee, right hand, left hand, up to the feet. With the breath, just a little quicker, but if you need to keep working at a little bit of slower pace, you know you work at the way you need. Here we go. We get low. We go left hand, left shin, left hand, right hand to the feet. And second side, hand, shin, hand to the feet. One more time. And getting low to the shins, to the hands, and the feet. And hand to the shin, to the hand, to the feet. And walk it off. Take a little circle of your wrists as you walk through your space. And we're going to do just one more conditioning-like thing. We're going to come on down. We're going to do a crab. We just did like a frog in a box. We'll do a crab in a box. Let's all face this way. We're going to face you. We'll do it together. We're going to bend our knees. So we're going to be in this position where the hands are behind us. You can do all of this with your seat on the floor and feel how you can slide. You get the side view, we can slide. We're going to start with the slide, and then we'll get a chance if you want to feel a little more strength, a little more activation with the hips up, which is a lot more demand in the shoulders, but good strength for us to build. So we're going to do crab in a box. Here we go. There's no specifics you need to work the hands and feet, just finding the coordination that makes sense for you. We're going to crab forward, so come on at us. We're going to crab to your left. We're going to crab back. Feet and hands working together, crab to your right. Ooh, let's do it forward. To your right. To the back. And to your left. Okay, let's do our crab one more time. Shall we flip it around and all be on the same facing together? Okay, who wants to try it with your butt up? No one. Okay, I'll do it. If you want to, your choice. Try it with your butt up. Maybe you try one set. Maybe you try one step, and you decide no, not for today. But you can also keep trying it with your butt down. Here we go. We're gonna go first to the front, walking 2 or 3 times. Then go to the left. Go to the back. Go to the right. And we go front. Whew. Let's go to the right. Whew. Go to the back. And to the left. And if your butt was up, lower your butt. Shake it out. It's really kind of just different work with the butt up. I wasn't feeling quite as much of that hamstring activation, but definitely a lot more demand in the wrists and the shoulders. So it's always good to have ways in which we can do the same thing, but differently, access different things. All right, stand up. Let's shake it out. All right, y'all, we have one more conditioning moment. We're gonna revisit our frog and our crab. We're just gonna like knock it out, do it home. We already know what we're doing. We're gonna do the box of the frog in this position, both sides. I'm just doing it fast. And then we'll just drop onto our butt and last moment in the crab. All right, let's do it. Get low. 5, 7, and we go front, go left, and left, back, and right, and front, and right, to the back, to the left, and however you want, find your way into your butt, feet forward, hands back, sliding or floating the seat. We go crab front, and to the left, and back, to the right, and we go front, and to the right, and to the left, and center, drop your butt. We're gonna wrap her up. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. Hope that you're feeling warm and sweaty and good in your body. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we can't wait to dance with you again soon, hopefully.